Ye Ghana, for the market, ye ni HFT, Nigerian stew.
I cooked my signature Nigerian palm oil stew for the market women at Quaba market in Accra, Ghana. This is one thing I've always wanted to do, visit a new country and prepare something that is synonymous to Nigeria for them. So you guys look at how yummy this sauce looks.
Ready, come. Thank you. Nigerian rice.
Food is ready.
Oh, this is so nice. This lady is a Nigerian chef who have been in Ghana for the past few days now. This lady prepared a meal for the market women in Quaba and also enjoy the beautiful nightlife in Ghana. You'll be so surprised what she did to the market women. Stay tuned and enjoy the video, and please do not forget to also like the video.
Ye Ghana, for the market, ye ni HFT, Nigerian stew.
I cooked my signature Nigerian palm oil stew for the market women at Quaba market in Accra, Ghana. This is one thing I've always wanted to do, visit a new country and prepare something that is synonymous to Nigeria for them. So guys, I went shopping for all of my ingredients. I thought to use green pepper for the stew. I also got the rice I was going to cook, Titus fish that they call salmon in Ghana. And you guys, the women of Quaba market are so nice and welcoming. They helped me do all my preppings. They made it so easy for me. You guys, thank them in the comment section.
I tried to help my friend.
Thank you, my friend.
They helped me tie my wrapper, which was part of the costume, and then I got cooking. Heated up the palm oil and then went ahead to boil the rice in a separate pot. They chose not to wash their rice, which was totally fine. Okay, now I added the pepper mixture. I gave it a good mix and then added some locust beans, added all the crayfish spices, seasonings and all of that. And then I added the mackerel fish. So for this sauce, I personally love to use mackerel fish. I could have used offals, but it was going to take too long to cook. And I wanted something that was quick and easy for the market women to eat immediately. You guys look at how yummy this sauce looks. They gave me a list of things that they can enjoy with this sauce. By the time the rice was ready, it was time to serve. I served in a large bowl so that everybody could eat from one bowl and just enjoy and marry. You guys, I added egg at the end though, because what is a stew for Ghanaians without egg? See how yummy this looks, you guys.
Food is ready. Come. Thank you. Nigerian rice.
Food is ready.
It's ready.
We washed our hands and dived straight into the food. We all ate from this spot. Some of them took some of the sauces home, fed the entire market with this. They were so happy. And they even sang for me, you guys. We are one Africa, right? I feel so happy that this happened.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful lady from Nigeria. Chola, let's take it from top. All right. I see some Niger dance right there. Yeah, you can come on stage and support.
My beautiful baby.
Have you seen my tomato baby? Baby, softly pull me temper. Ada, baby, no sugar. Yo, everybody they wait. But I get an encore. Even in mama, let us soup on a money kill a mo. Ada, mama, begin, ya. Ada, Yuriba. He said, have you seen my beautiful baby? Chala baby, have you seen my tomato baby? Ilele, let me suffer the colony temper. Ada, baby, na sugar. Yo, everybody they wait. But I'm gonna know. Even the mama, let us soup na money kill a mo. Adam na begin ya. Ada, Yuriba. Ada. Everybody now. Ada. We are so. Ada, Iba. Ada ni go around.
Everybody they wait.
Iba. But I get no. Even the mama, let us soup na money kill a mo. Adam na begin ya. Ada, Yuriba. Tola, let's do this part for you, all right? So we are dedicating this part of the song to Tola. Listen to this part. I say, Tola no dey lack. She get time for everywhere. Tola no dey lack. She get time for up and down. Baby na tomato, baby too fresh now. Tola really, go. Let me take it. Tola no dey lack. She get time for everywhere. Tola no dey lack. Now get time for up and down. Baby na tomato, baby too fresh like morning wine. Tola really, go. Everybody they wait, cause I get it on. Even the mama ka, better soup na money kill amo. Ada man na begem ya, ada irira, ada. In fact, it is from Tola. Tola need your ramba. Tola. Tola need your ramba. Tola. Tola need your ramba. Tola need your ramba. Tola. Tola need your ramba. Ida, potom, beba, potom, ida, ikodom, ida, ikodom, ida, ikodom. Mommy, bye, daddy, bye. In 9 months' time, we will come visiting, a boy and girl. Chima, Tola. A lot of applause for Tola.
This is pure love. You can tell that this woman have really enjoyed her stay so far in Ghana. This is indeed pure love. When we used to say Ghana and Nigeria relationship is beyond what people used to think. People think we are joking. I say it all the time. Ghana and Nigeria, we don't hate ourselves. It's only on social media you see us fighting. In reality, we love ourselves. You can see the way Ghanaians have been treating us so far. They market women, they show her love, they prepare their meat together, they all eat together. Did you see any hate over there? It's only on social media you see people typing, oh, Nigerians hate Ghanaians, the Ghanaians hate Nigerians. In reality, there is no such thing in reality. You can see for the video that Juma is so happy being here. There's no way she's going to forget these memories she have gotten in Ghana. These are life memories that will always go with you. So this woman have really enjoyed it. So at this point, do me well by also dropping your comments on the comment section. Did you enjoy the video? For me, I enjoyed the video. I hope you also enjoyed the video as well. Feel free to drop your comments on what you think of the video. And please do not forget to also share with a friend who would love to watch this video with you. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to also hit on the subscribe button to join this amazing community. And don't forget to also turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you're not going to miss out on my amazing future content. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now and stay blessed.